Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about why you actually have to post more than once per week. Imagine you wanted to sell cookies from the safety of your own home. If you walk down the stairs in the morning and you're standing in front of your front door and you're shouting out into the world, I have the best tasting, most delicious cookies in the world, who wants to buy some? You might only get like 3 people to buy some cookies. Why? Because some of your neighbors are not home. Others got their window open coincidentally so they could hear you scream. Some people were coincidentally walking by at the time when you decided to announce your message to the world. So other people are at work, other people doing their grocery shopping, other people are picking up their children from school. Depending on what time you're shouting out your message, you will only ever get a small fraction of the people in your environment. And on LinkedIn, this is connections and followers. So by you actually posting multiple times per week, let's say 1 time per day, Monday to Friday, you actually make it more likely that the person who wasn't there on Monday because they were picking up their child, and who wasn't there on Tuesday because they weren't doing their grocery shopping, and who wasn't there on Wednesday because they had to go to work, but on Thursday they had the time. Coincidentally, their window was open and they were able to listen to your message, and because they were an ideal customer, they decided to take action and to get your cookies. So when you're creating content on LinkedIn, this is the same strategy. Always think about that not everyone is on LinkedIn at the same time. Not everyone is logging into LinkedIn every single day. Some people only log into LinkedIn every couple of weeks. Some people only every couple of months. So by posting content on a daily basis, you make sure that whenever someone comes online, they have a chance to see your content. So no matter when they log in, they will always have an opportunity to connect with you and to buy from you. So if you want to learn how to develop a content strategy that you never run out of content ideas, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.